All right. Here we go. I'm going to show you how to set up this funnel for the ListLeverage system so that you get optimum amount of opt-ins when you purchase traffic from one of our, traffic sources. All right. The first thing you need is this email from me. It's these funnel share codes. Everything you need. Capture page. These have to do with the tags. And this is the autoresponder down here. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to set up these links in the system so that we have sites for the actual autoresponder. First thing we're going to do is set up the capture page, and that is not the right share code. Let me go here. This is the share code right here. Where'd it go? ListLeverage. I didn't get a share code. I got the actual link. So that is wrong. I will fix that email. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into log out. We're going to log into the Conversion Pros step by step here. Come on, log out. All right. Here we go. We're going to log in. Put your username and password, and then we're going to click the login button. First thing we're going to do is create the capture page. I've already copied the code. I'll fix that in the email. So we're going to go to Page Builder. We're going to go to Create Page. And then, since I have share code, we're going to go to Use Share Code. I'll paste this share code in here. Paste. Save. Enter another one. I'm going to go back over to our funnel share codes. I'm going to grab the share code for the VSL, the intro VSL. Boom. Copy that. This is copy paste simple. Check it out. Paste. Save. I'm going to enter another one. Go back over to funnel share codes. We're going to go down to the testimonial page. I'm going to grab this share code here. Copy. Go up to TCP. Paste it in there. Save. We got one more to do. And this is the webinar. Copy that. Share code. Copy. Go back up here. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to save. Boom. Now we will go in and edit them. What we need to do now is we need to log in to ListLeverage. ListLeverage login. Login. And go to marketing. Now if you want to set up a tracking link and all that's good, but you don't have to. We're going to copy the number 3 page. Go back up to Conversion Pros, and we're going to edit. It's pretty simple stuff here. This page here, we're going to go over to Edit, Webinar. Now all the stuff over here is pretty cool. What we want to do is scroll down. You don't need to fix this link here. That one you don't need to fix. You only need to fix this one here, and you want to click on Edit Content. You edit content. See, this link is already in there, but it'll be already in there in yours too. You got to get rid of that link. Backspace that out of there. Very simple. Paste in your ListLeverage capture page. let it turn green, click on save. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you're going to go over here, click on save lander. Pretty simple, huh? I did all the hard work for you. Now we're going to go down to Testimonials and click on edit. Same thing here. You don't need to do this one. You don't need to do anything with this. This one you got to edit content. Same thing here. Backspace that link out of there. Paste in your ListLeverage number 3 capture page. Save. Go over here, scroll down, click on Save Lander. Alright. X out of that. Let's go down to the capture page. We're going to edit that. Scroll down, same thing. Whoop. Nope, we don't want to do that. Stop editing. Edit content. Same thing here. See, that's capture page 3. Backspace that out of there. Paste in your link. Click on save. Bada bing, bada boom. You go scroll down. Click on save. Alright. How hard was that? Not hard at all. You got those 2 things done. Alright, now. Here's what we're going to do next. We are going to go to Autoresponder. Alright, we're going to create a new campaign. You got to label it. You can label it whatever you want, but make sure you understand what it is. ST list leverage. Only you see this. I've already got one named this. I'm just going to put list leverage system 1 because this is just for demo. Down here in the description, list leverage. Notice I don't put any spaces in between this stuff. Now then, share code. Let's go up here to funnel share codes. Do 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 do. Autoresponder share code. Whoops. Copy that. Whoops. Gotta be careful how you copy these. Copy. Go back up here. Watch this magic happen here. Paste. Dun 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 dun. Watch this. Watch the magic. Boom. Look at that. All those emails pre-made for you. Now you will have to do some stuff in there to fix them so they're coded directly for you. First thing we got to do, we got to fix the tags. See tags here? Alright, now then, I've already got these set up in the system, but if you look at this right here, VSL, that's the intro video, webinar. Set them up just like this. I have them right here. These are the you gotta get your own links. Well, I'll show you how to get the links, so don't worry about it. Intro VSL, here it is. What we do, tag name, LLVSL, plain text value used in SMS, LLVSL, HTML value used in email. This is the text we're going to use that's going to show up in the email. I'm going to show you how to make that work. First thing, we got to go get your links. All right, what we want to do is we're going to open up a new tab. I'm going to open up Conversion Pros again. Remember, you can always stop this, replay some of it, and go do the task and come back, and you know, that kind of thing. So don't worry if I'm going too fast. You can always pause it, go do something, come back and restart it. Page Builder. Let's do the VSL first. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the link. See where it says get link? We're going to do the webinar first, since it's right there first. I'm going to copy that. And we're going to go over here to Tiny URLs. This also lets you track where your traffic is coming from. New Tiny URL. Paste it in there. Paste. Create. Now if you already have it in the system, it's going to say it's already in the system. But once you click and save it, it's going to show up right here. You want to click on that little clipboard. Boom, it's copied. So we are going to, you can do it in Notepad, or you can just open up an email and compose an email. Because you got to do some copy and pasting. Let's click on compose. Or you can just go back to Conversion Pros and click on that clipboard again while you're doing this, but just for kicks and giggles, we're going to compose an email that'll ever open up. Come on now. There we go. Paste it in there. Clear that. Oops, I don't think I did that right. How do I use that mouse? Kicking my butt. For some reason, whenever you copy it from Conversion Pros, it has that weird shadow in it. And this is the webinar. Webinar. Because you got to do this because these are your links. You got to make sure you put them in there. You don't want to copy my links because it'll take them to my stuff. Alright. Go back over to Conversion Pros, this one. Then we're going to go back to Page Builder. We are going to grab the testimonial page. So get link, copy link, go back over here to Tiny URLs, click on new URL, paste it in there, paste, create, okie dokie, copy that. Click on that little clipboard, go back up here to your email you have, paste it in there. Get rid of that weird shadow. Go down here. Boom. This was a testimonial. Okay, let's go get the other link for the VSL. Page Builder. ListLeverage system. This is the VSL right here. I know I didn't name it properly. Sorry about that. Copy. Go back over here. Whoops. Paste. Darn it. Copy the wrong thing. I didn't create a tiny URL, that's what I did. Tiny URL, skipped a step. Oops. You don't have to create a tiny URL, but it just keeps things nice and neat, and you can find out where all your traffic's come from, who's clicked on what, that kind of thing. Okay, copy the little clipboard, click on it, go back up here, go back down here. Oops. Paste. Get rid of that weird freaking shadow. I just got a little OCD. I'm sorry, guys. This is the ListLeverage VSL, just so you know. All right, now we're gonna go through the whole creating the tags so you understand it 100%. Copy. Let's go over to back over here. We are going to delete these just to give you an idea, just so you know, and I don't confuse you. All right, go over to create new tag. All right, let's go over here to the funnel codes. First one we're going to do is a VSL, LLVSL. See that? LLVSL. Copy that. Go up here. Tag name. That's LLVSL, right? Paste. Go back. Same one. Copy this little code. Copy. Go up here. Paste it in the plain text. Now we're going to go get the wordage. This is what's going to show up in the actual email. Copy that. Go up here. Paste it right here. Whoops. Now this you got to do different. Control XCV will paste it in there. Can't do regular copy and paste. It's Control XCV. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to highlight this. Highlight the whole thing. Going to click on this little chain. It says insert link. A new thing's going to pop up. We're going to go over here to our other email where we pasted those links. And we need the VSL link. We need this link here. That's the one we're doing right now. We're going to copy that. Go back over here, paste the URL in here, paste, click on save, boom. Now me, I like to bold and italicize it. You don't have to, I like to. Now then, we're gonna go over here, click on save, click on OK, boom. Now click on cancel. See, it's right here, boom, boom, boom. We just did that. Now create new tag. Just created the VSL, right? That's one we did before. Make sure. Cancel. Yeah, we did the VSL. Make sure that's right. See what's in there. That's SG31. Make sure we did it right. Alright, SG31. Okay, cool beans. Alright, now we're going to go back over to this one. So let's do the testimonials. Testimonials right here. LLTestimonials. Copy that. The reason why we got to copy it like this is what shows up inside the emails before somebody clicks on it. It's got to be right. Create new tag. Tag name. Whoops, not Fred. There we go. LLVSL, LLTestimonials. Go back up here. Now we gotta get the plain text. Copy that. Go back up here. Paste in the plain text. Go back over to your other email. We gotta get the testimonial page, which is right here. Just copy this part. Copy. Go back over here. Now this one, remember it's Control XCV, and it's, whoops, not what we wanted. Sorry, not what we wanted. We want the text first. Look at me, I'm messing up. That's one. Here we go. Go over here. Here we go. I'll put this text in there first. Copy this. Now then, Control XCV. I'm going to highlight this. Highlight. Click on the little chain. Go get our testimonial link. It's right there. It's already highlighted because I goofed. Copy. Go back over here. Paste it in that blank there. Click on your save button. Go back over here. Whoop, I want to bold and italicize it. You don't have to. I like to because it makes it stand out even more inside the email. Click on save. Click on OK. Now click on cancel. 2 of the tags are made. Now I'm going to create a new tag. This is the webinar tag. Do the webinar. Go up here for the tag name. Copy. Up here. Tag name. Alright, go back. We are going to get the plain text value. Copy. Paste it in there. Now we got to go get the actual text that's going to show up. Whoops, don't want the whole thing. Come on now. Come on. No, don't want it all. Right, there you go. Now copy that. Go back up here. And there's Control XCV. Now then, we are going to highlight this like before. Click on the old chain. Go back over to the other email way over here. We are going to grab the webinar. So what we're doing is a webinar. We're going to do copy. Paste. Save. Save. Okay. Cancel. Now, we have to go in and edit the emails. These are done. We're done. You know, we have very little to do inside the emails. I'm going to tell you what you need to do inside your emails. Everything else is set up. See how these are 0? That's a good thing. It's green. If you have numbers over here, if you get up to a 3, then you might as well consider that email spam. A 0 is good. You score your emails. Now let me show you here. You click on edit. That's my email. You need to change that email to your email or leave it blank and it'll go to the email that you use to sign up with the Conversion Pros. Once you either delete that email and put in another email or just delete it, then you go over here. Everything else is done for you. Scroll down. See that LLVSL? That's in there. Another time, LLVSL. All these are coded to you. My first name, my email, my Facebook, my phone. Your information will show up in these categories once you have joined TCP and entered in all your information as you're supposed to do. Now, one thing you might want to get rid of is this image. That's my Bitmoji. You can leave it in there if you want. It's totally up to you, or you can put your own Bitmoji in there. Let me show you something pretty cool. I'm going to delete this. Now I put all my Bitmojis inside my Facebook account, inside Messenger. Messenger hosts your photos for you without charging you a penny. Let me show you how cool this is. Most people don't know this. A lot of people, they have to get this other software out to host your photos. Don't need to do that. You can use Messenger. using Wi-Fi service, so it's a little bit slow. You've been online for a while, you got a very busy Facebook. There we go. Just going to click over to Messenger. Sometime then in this search bar, search my name. I think. There's my name. Whoop, no, that's the wrong one. There we go, that's the right one. Now you notice I got these Bitmojis in here. I forget which one I've seen, but let's go here. It's going to open up the thing. All my images are down here. Let me go to the one I had in there. If you don't know what Bitmoji is, you can get that on your phone in your app store called Bitmoji. It's me and my little guy. You can get all these really cool Bitmojis to do with all kinds of really cool stuff. All right, I think that's one I had. Now watch this. Click on that. Click on copy image address. All right, now we're going to go back to our page. Now I want to put that image back in there, so we're going to click on insert. Click on image. We're going to paste that link in there that I just copied. When I copied image address. Now I don't want it that big, so I'm going to change the dimensions by 100. See, that's the dimensions of the photo. Click on save. Boom, there it is. It's all good to go. Boom. Nice looking email. Click on save. Boom. Now you gotta click on save after every email that you edit. Remember, you gotta change this email address up here, and then if you want to change the Bitmoji, you gotta change the Bitmoji. Every time you change something, you gotta click on save. Click on OK, and scroll down to the next one. Click on edit. And scroll up. There's a brand new email in there. You're going to change that email address. So I've got some really cool images in these things. You don't have to worry about there's no links behind the images, so I'm not here to try to, backdoor grab your people. And in here, see, I got a testimonial in here. Then I got all my information there. This will show up as your first name and your phone number if you want that. If you don't want your phone number in there, then you got to eliminate that. All right. You can also put in your Facebook address and all kinds of stuff. Let me show you how to do that. See where it says show tags? Now this is the prospect's information right here. This is going to be your information over there. It's going to be your first name, country if you want to put it in there, your phone, your email, last name, username. You really don't want to put your username in there. Your Facebook, and then down here, so you already got all set up for you. You have the testimonials, the VSL, and webinar. You don't need to put those in there. But if you wanted to add in like a Twitter or a Skype, a YouTube, if you have all that information entered into the Conversion Pros, you can use those tags by just a copy. Actually, I got to do is let's see, email. Let's do email. Click on that. Wait for a second. It's copied. Go over here. Put your cursor there. You want to click on this. Now I like to use the shift, the little squiggly line, put a space. Just makes it look neater, more professional. Whoops. Now remember, this is Control XCV and it's in there. Boom. Now every time you do that, every time you change anything inside the email, when you change the address up here, the email address up here, or if you change any of this other stuff, which I wouldn't, I would just change this up here. If you want to get rid of my Bitmoji, you're more than welcome. I have to. It doesn't have my name on it, so nobody knows who it is. If you want to change the image out there, you can, but I wouldn't. Then once you're done, click on save, and you're good to go. Boom. Now, you know how to do that. You got to go through each email to fix that. Everything else has already been set up. You have to change the email, and if you want to add in some extra information in the signature, you can, or if you want to leave it as is, you can. It's no big deal. But every time you switch stuff around, you change stuff, you got to click on save. All right, and you're going to go through each email, because I have my email address up here. You got to get rid of that. All right, you got to get rid of that email address. It's just a matter of backspacing it out there and pasting in or typing in whatever email address you want. All right, now we got to go back to your page builder. Got to go back to page builder. Now that we have the, after you've finished all your, well, wait a minute, we're not quite done. Not quite done. Go back to Autoresponder. We've got to activate this. Now, once you've finished everything inside the Autoresponder, you fixed all the emails. What you have to do, I got a lot of autoresponders. That's the nice thing about this system. Let me go back real quick. All campaigns. I'm going to show you something. This autoresponder is the best autoresponder out there. See all those where it says view? Each one of those is an email campaign. It's unlimited. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on a page. I have 10 pages. I have 100 autoresponders, 100 different autoresponder campaigns, and they all go out no problem. This one is like an old opportunity I'm not even part of anymore. So I think there's only one email. So, so yeah, this one. See, there's 10 there. So all these are different autoresponders for different opportunities. See, I was even in Beachbody. Opportunities I was in at one time. Sometimes some of them I'm not in, but I save them because sometimes I grab some of these autoresponders and repurpose them for other opportunities. Or I'll take emails out of some of those emails out of them, and I'll repurpose them for another campaign, because they're good autoresponders. So let's go back to first page, just so you know it's there. There's our system we're going to use, ListLeverage System 1. All right, we got to activate it. We got to go back to view. We got to activate this campaign, because you fixed everything in there. You went through all the emails. You fixed everything like it's supposed to. Changed out all the emails in the top right corner, and you fixed the signature. And if you want to keep the Bitmoji, you can. If you don't, you can just backspace this out of there. And you saved all of them. So now what we got to do is we got to go to campaign details. All right. See where it says inactive? Right now that autoresponder is inactive. This is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop down, see where it says active, click on that, click on save, click on OK. Your emails are now active. So we go back to page builder. All right, now we're going to go down to ListLeverage. This is the capture page, remember? I think, yeah, this is the capture page. Right? No, yeah, this is the capture page. So what we're going to do, we're going to connect the VSL, which is this right here, ListLeverage system. We're going to get link. We're going to copy that. We're going to connect these two pages. And click on edit. This is the capture page we created. Pretty cool. Now, you need to make sure you got this video playing in the background, but you need to make sure you have a good image back there, because the video doesn't play on cell phones. So what we got to do is we got to go to pick a background. I'll show you the background that I used. It's a really cool thing about Conversion Pro is we have all these images set up, paid for, so that we can use them royalty free. Each one of these is a category. Inside each category is a bunch of different images. I use the money image. Look at all these. Some have more than others. I use that image. So we're going to click on that. Now here, that's what it's going to look like on a cell phone. See? When you open up on a computer, you see the whole image. But when you're on a cell phone, you just see that. Now you can move this side to side if you want, or you can center it, however you want to do it, and then click on confirm. Now that's back there, you just don't see it, but you can probably see a little bit of it up here. So that image shows up when somebody opens up this page on a cell phone. On a laptop or desktop, you get this cool video background. Now, what we got to do is click on Mail Campaign. No, first what we got to do is connect a link to this page. Going to click on Edit Content. We copied that link earlier, remember? And this is the link we copied, but we're going to backspace this out here just for kicks and giggles so you understand 100% what we're doing. We're going to paste the link we copied in there, which is the link to the VSL. See that? Now we need to pick how we want our people to opt in. I tell people use this because you can call them when they put in their phone number. And click on Save, and it's saved. Now we got to get our autoresponder. Your newest autoresponder will be on the bottom, just so you know. Boom. Now then, as always, we've got to save our work. Save lander. Boom. You're set up. Everything is set up, ready to roll. All of your everything is set up, ready to rock and roll. Now, what you need to do after you've done that, I want to show you something. Let's click on this. Let's click on edit. All right, now we put a little piece of software inside the chat group so you can download videos. This is why you want to download these videos and put them to your YouTube channel. Say somebody on your list gets this video, but you didn't download it and upload it, and they get this video and it has my little Bitmoji up here and it has a YouTube link, and they want to see, well, who is behind this link. They click on YouTube, and it takes them to my YouTube channel. See, it takes them to my YouTube channel. They click on show more, it's going to have my links in here, and you don't want that. You don't want people going to my YouTube channel. That's why it's very important for you to download this video and upload it to your own YouTube channel. Now, if you want, you can copy all this. I don't mind, but you need to change these links out so that they are links to your system or stuff about you, okay? Because if they have my stuff in there, then they're going to go to my page, they're going to sign up with me, and you need them to sign up with you. Alright, so it's very important for you to download and upload these videos, and then you're going to replace these videos in your system. This is how you replace the videos. You're going to
right there. In the meantime,
copy the video URL.
Go ahead and shoot them the question.
And go back up here to ListLeverage, and you see how this little box is in here? You're going to click on Edit Content, and then you're going to replace the link. Backspace that out of there. You're going to paste the link in there for the link that you copied and downloaded and uploaded to your YouTube channel, and you copied the